Today we're going to show you how to make a clove-infused teething cream. For this recipe, all you're going to need is 2 tablespoons of food-grade cocoa butter. So you can also buy cocoa butter for body products that isn't food-grade. You want to make sure you have the food-grade variety. Then we'll take 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, or you can substitute this for another food-grade oil. And then finally, half a tablespoon of cloves. To make our infusion, you'll add all of our ingredients into a pot and heat on the stove on the lowest setting for 30 to 40 minutes. In the book, we talk about other ways to infuse oils, like a double boiler method or a sun method. So if you'd like to see other options, you can check out that chapter. But the stovetop method is a really quick and easy way to do an infusion. Stir the mixture until the cocoa butter is fully melted down, and then you can leave it on the lowest setting and just give it an occasional stir over the 30 to 40 minutes while it infuses. Once your infusion is done, you can remove your mixture from the stove and strain out the cloves using a fine mesh strainer. Now you can set your cream aside overnight until it's fully cooled and ready to use. And that's how you make a clove-infused teething cream.